Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best pizza stone. Here are the top 3 pizza stones that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Old Stone Oven Rectangular Pizza Stone. Pizza baked on this pizza stone has crisp and crunchy crusts that every pizza lover enjoys. This pizza stone can be used on a grill or any broiler. It comes with a reasonable price tag carrying all the features necessary to be present in a pizza stone. The pizza stone gets heated rapidly, offering safe pizza baking in significantly less time. Washing the pizza stone is an easy thing to do, and it dries instantly. At number 2. The Original Baking Steel. This pizza stone is best for baking succulent and delicious pizza anytime. Its solid steel construction does not let it break or crack at any point. The pizza stone bakes pizza faster than other pizza stones available in the market. This pizza stone is pre-seasoned with oil that eliminates the risk of the pizza stone getting rusty. It is easy to clean with water, consuming minimal time. At number 1. FibraMent-D Home Oven Baking Stone. This pizza stone is the best choice for both beginners and professionals who have just entered or who have already mastered the art of pizza making. It is best to use in gas, fire, or convection ovens. The cleaning of this pizza stone requires only scrapping, leading to less time consumption and zero water usage. The build quality of the pizza stone is MSF approved, which guarantees its top-notch performance. This pizza stone can be placed permanently inside the ovens without worrying about its breakage because of moisture or other factors. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.